Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern, corner, sleek, 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in Alabang, Muntinlupa City. This property has a spacious floor area of 685 square meters and a lot area of 450 square meters. Now join us as we begin this tour. This property has such a wide frontage, and let's begin by taking a look at your carport area. This space can fit about 3 to 4 vehicles. Potentially 3 sedans or 4 cars, 2 here and then 2 extending out there. But another idea is you can potentially have this area paved and have this as an additional parking area if you have more cars. Just as an idea, but it's up to you. But right now, it already has plenty of parking space. Now let's head on over towards your main entry. Now welcome. Right now you have a landscape area upon entering the home. And it wraps around the corner of the property, and you have access here towards your swimming pool area, which we will explore in a little while. And right now, let's head on over towards your main entry, where you have a grand double-doored entrance. Your ground level is also elevated from street level, so there's no flooding in this area, but this gives you a nice vantage point over the street. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your living space, which is an open concept plan for your living and dining area as well. You have cove lighting and you have plenty of space here in terms of how you can arrange your furniture. You have an elegant marble design for the tiling of the flooring, and you already have split type Panasonic air conditioning units for the living and dining space. And now let's take a look right beside your living space. You have access to a covered patio area and a swimming pool. So this is an excellent entertainment area, an alfresco dining space. You can imagine having barbecues out here. You already have a ceiling fan for ventilation. And check out this vantage point. And you have a spacious swimming pool. This would make for a nice lap pool as well. So I'm gonna walk to the other side so you can appreciate the length of the pool. So this is great for parties, get-togethers, or even for just personal exercise. And from here, you also have an outdoor shower area. And you can walk all around the house here towards the service areas of the property. And now now let's head back in. For the interior design, this is a nice recessed space where you can have a television set and your couch and living room set right here. The area is large enough so that you can have even 2 separate furniture sets for your living area. And right here you have your dining space. Now, from your dining area, you have your modern show kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is this peninsula countertop, which is great as an informal dining space. You can have some stools right here. I can imagine having a meal prep area right here while you have a great view of your guests in the main dining area. And plenty of room to navigate. And what I love about this kitchen as well is this great view of your swimming pool. Plenty of storage as well. And you have a Bertazzoni branded oven and 6-burner cooktop with a La Germania branded range hood as well. Okay, here's another view. From this angle, you can appreciate how spacious your living and dining area is. What I love about the dining space is you have cove lighting here, and it's large enough so that if you even want to have a table for up to 12 people, this space can easily accommodate that. And from here, you have access through this door. You have a screen door already, and then another door leading towards your auxiliary kitchen space. And what I love is this area is already covered. You have a 3-burner cooktop already here with a range hood, and even a ceiling fan for additional ventilation. Lots of storage. And then on this side, you have your laundry area. So you can have your washer dryer right here and the heavy wash sink, and you have your staff rooms right here. So you have your first staff room right here, and then it has its own bathroom. And then you have a second staff room on this side with its own bathroom as well. Okay, so having a house of this size also entails having household staff potentially. So it's nice to know that the designers made sure that this is also accommodated. And then you can walk all around this side towards the swimming pool area. Let's head back in. And now we're back here in your main amenity space, and let's take a look at your den room here at the ground floor. I love this room because you have so much natural light, care of these oversized windows on the 2 corners of the room. You have a view of your garden area right here, and then a view of your swimming pool here on the other side. So that's a nice additional amenity space. You can make that a nice movie room. And on this side, you have, in a way, your powder room. And then you even have additional storage right here. And now let's head on up towards your second level where you have your 4 bedrooms. Let's go. You have beautiful natural wood flooring right here. And you can appreciate the ceiling height from this angle. You have a provision here if you'd like to have a chandelier placed, or a light fixture, so this can get much brighter. But you have roll-up blinds right here. But in the mornings, if you leave these open, you have the morning light coming in through here. You don't even need to have any lights. But as of now, you have your family hallway here at the second level. This is a nice design aspect of the home because once you come in and out of the rooms, you feel so open. You can potentially have like a small couch here and a television set right here to make this a nice additional lounge space for the family. And then this area is maximized as a potential linen closet or even a shared dry pantry for all the occupants of the 4 bedrooms. So now, let's take a look at each of the bedrooms, beginning with the primary bedroom. Wow, I just love the ceiling height here in the second level. The master bedroom is large enough that you have 2 areas here with cove lighting and 2 separate ceiling fans for additional ventilation, and you also have such a large window here positioned at the corner of the property. You can have your entertainment console right here, and you have natural Narra wood flooring. You can have a lounge area right here and even a separate small living space while having your main bed area on the other side of the room. That's how spacious it is. And right here you have your master walk-in closet. So your walk-in closet has its own ceiling fan, plenty of storage space, and its own dresser area. And then you have that narrow wood flooring extending all the way to this space. And right here you have your master bathroom with a dual vanity sink space. Floor to ceiling tiling and indirect lighting as well. You have windows here for ventilation, but their position gives you plenty of privacy, and you have a tempered glass shower enclosure right here. So all of the 4 bedrooms here at the second level have their own ceiling fans. So let's take a look right here at your second bedroom. So I like the size of the bedrooms because they're large enough to accommodate even a queen-sized bed. And you also have that natural wood flooring again. And the ceiling fans also have their own light as well. Now for the second bedroom, you have closet space right here and a modern bathroom. I love the minimalist and clean, sleek look of the bathroom with indirect lighting and your tempered glass shower enclosure. And you can see here how thick the glass is that they used. And you even have a remote control for your ceiling fan. And right here you have your third bedroom. The size is similar, almost identical to the last room. The main difference is this bedroom has the storage out here. And it has additional storage in the bathroom area. And I like the spacing. Doesn't feel cramped at all, feels very spacious, and you even have 2 separate windows. And another thing to notice here is the ceiling height is also quite considerable for the bathrooms. it's time to take a look at your fourth bedroom. Once again, you have that natural wood flooring, and this has plenty of storage within the room. And you can have your bed right here, and then potentially this can be a dresser area, or you can have a television set right here. Or if you want to orient it a different way, you can have your television set right here and then your bed on this side, or vice versa. So plenty of options, and once again, you have that ceiling fan. And you can have that ceiling fan because you have such a nice clearance for the height of the room. Still plenty of space left over. And here we are in your fourth bathroom. For the fourth bedroom, once again, you have nice modern tiling, indirect lighting, and the tiling design matches the marble gray countertop design for the sink space and also the cabinetry. Let's head back here towards your family hallway. And that caps off our house tour of this modern 4-bedroom corner house and lot for sale here in Alabang, Muntinlupa City. To know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us to our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and now also on TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.